This is a 2010 Infiniti M35. It has a 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Features include a power moonroof, heated seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side impact airbags, steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, and this vehicle has fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself. Extreme low pressure sales, extreme friendliness, and extreme fair pricing. That's Volkswagen of Jersey Village, a proud member of the largest dealer chain in Houston. Contact our internet department today or stop on by. We're easy to find. Just take 290 West to the Eldridge Parkway exit.